Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have an unboxing for you. I got some happy mail from my sister in Christ, Neyda. Neyda's so sweet, guys. She asked, can she send me something? And so here it is. I'm excited, Neyda. You did not have to do this, girl. Guys, God is so amazing, man. I just really want to brag on my God for real, because he's just always sending people my way on time. You know, like the perfect moment, the perfect people, always. I'm not feeling the best, and this just came in. The fact that I'm not feeling the best and this came in today is just confirmation, guys. Like, so Neyda, thank you so much for wanting to send me something. You do not have to do this. Let me see, guys. I'm gonna leave her Instagram. I know that she's new to paper crafting. She's been so supportive of me, and she's just the sweetest person. Like I said, like God, he doesn't make any mistakes, guys. You know, people, they are brought to us for a reason, for a season, different things. I don't know. But Neyda, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Neyda, for sending this. Look at this, summer solids. I have not seen this. This must be new at Michael's from Craftsmith. Guys, I love these paper pads from Craftsmith. Let's see. And this is perfect, girl. On time for summer. Thank you so much, mama. Special edition 48 sheets. Let's see what colors are up in here. We have my favorite pink. Ooh, it's pretty. Let me see how many are in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of each. So we have this pretty pink, this darker pink, this, oh my God, this blue is beautiful. This is what I call Sweet Story blue. One of my favorite collections from Maggie Holmes is the Sweet Story, and I love this blue that's in there. Look at this color, it's gorgeous. Thank you so much, mama. I don't have these colors in my stash like that. You guys know I'm a pastel girl, so I am so thankful to have this. We have green, yellow, and I think this is gonna pair perfectly with Scrap Diva's new paper collection, orange and red. Wow, beautiful. Thank you, mama. You are so sweet. Okay, let's see what else we got here. I know she picked up some bow paper clips for me. She is so sweet, guys. I'm just so blessed. Like, honestly, you know, I don't know. I just don't want to do too much in this video or say too much or whatever. But I do want to speak from my heart. And, you know, I have to say that I've had a lot of bad experiences in this paper crafting journey, and I've also had so many more good experiences, and the good experiences, they have definitely outweighed the bad. And I am just so thankful for, you know, all the people that I have met. Oh my God, look at this guy. She spoiled me. Neyda, what did you do, girl? Okay, look at all this. Oh my God, so sweet. She packed it in this pretty pink mailer. She sent me some jemmies. These are beautiful. Look at how they dazzle. Oh my God. I might have to use these as flowers. These are pretty, girl. These are some of my favorite little jemmies. Some of them are see-through clear, and some of them have a white backing. Oh, these are pretty. This, I was so excited that she's sending me this, guys, because I have been wanting some of these and I just have not bought any. And I think these are you stick it behind whatever and it makes it kind of like move, you know, like bobble. Thank you so much, mama. I don't have anything like this in my stash. I'm super grateful for this. Look at this beautiful mix. So cute. The little butterfly wings, some flowers. Did you make this mix, girl? This is beautiful. So pretty, you guys. And then we have this. She said she picked this up for me. She's so sweet and thoughtful, you guys. In my Hobby Lobby video, I said they only had one and I grabbed it. And she said that they only had one at her, so she grabbed it for me. So sweet, mama. I'm super thankful, guys. Like, super, super thankful for all the people that God is placing in my life. Yeah, y'all are so precious to me. You just don't even know the half of it, honestly. Okay, then we have these beautiful gems, all different colors. This is gonna be perfect for my projects for summertime. Look at all this. She really hooked me up, you guys. Look at this pink and purple. Oh, I feel like I'm not doing this justice. So pretty. Thank you, mama. We got some blue. Yes, I need to break away from just pink, 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 pink. And then we got some, what are these? These are pretty. Look at that. She sent me silver and gold, y'all. And listen, I'm not a silver lover, but you guys know that I'm going to paint these. I got to open this up. Even though the silver's already open, I got to open the gold one. Look at how cute. Wow, girl, these are like heavy duty. Wow. Where did you find these from, mama? And then we got the silver ones. I will be painting these silver ones pink. So pretty. They are so cute. Where did you get these from? These are nice. Very nice quality. Heavy metal charms. They're not charms. They can be charms because they got the holes there to dangle. Wow, girl. Thank you so much for sharing with me. Oh my God, Neyda. She is a sweetheart, guys. Like, she's always messaging me the sweetest things. We have some bows. Oh my God, these are so cute. So cute. Thank you so much for sharing. And then she got these for me. These are the ones from Hobby Lobby that everyone's been telling me. Someone had sent me the link and I had them in my cart for online, but I've been trying to find them in my store and I never see them in my store. So thank you so much. I've been seeing a couple of people show these, and one of you lovely subscribers, I forgot who it was. I'm so sorry, guys. I know that you inboxed me. You messaged me the link. They're so cute, guys. Look, they're bows. Little bow paper clips. In white, pink, and a baby pink. And there's a lot in here. They were not being stingy, y'all. You know, sometimes they'll just give you like 5 of each. I can't get them apart. Why are you guys all sticking together? Oh my goodness. What is going on right now? I can't get it out. There's the light pink one. You get 3 colors. That's hilarious. It's been that kind of day for me. So cute. Thank you so much, mama. I'm gonna hoard these. I'm gonna use probably one of each color and then hoard the rest until I can find another pack. But this is a really nice pack. They got so much in here. Guys, is this Hobby Lobby? It's Hobby Lobby, right? I'm not sure what section you can find this at, guys. I have not seen it at my Hobby Lobby, so I am not sure. And then we have another mix. I think she made these mixes, and these are beautiful. Girl, you are good at making mixes. These are beautiful, beautiful mixes. I love the green and the pink together with a little splash of yellow. That is gorgeous. Okay. And some more clips. These are cute. Look at the little bow bag. So adorable. These are gold flowers. These are beautiful. These are so pretty, girl. Neyda, these are so precious, girl. Thank you for sharing with me. So cute. And there's a bunch in here. And then we have these little jars that you can put things in. Oh my God, girl, I'm super thankful for this stuff. I love stuff like this, you guys. Love it. I kind of want to put all the mixes in here, but I like them in the bag too. Guys, this is so precious. And then she sent me 2 packs of these. Thank you so much, mama. Wait, there's another mix. She spoiled me, guys. Look at all these beautiful mixes. These are tiny little hearts, and they are in pink, red, and gold. These are so cute. I can't believe I don't have this in my stash. She showed me her glitter. She asked me if I wanted some glitter, and I was like, no, I got a lot of glitter. She has some beautiful glitters. And then we have this grease-proof cookie cards. So I think you put plastic over it. Let me open this, guys. I gotta see what this is about. I am always looking in that little section, and they always, the bakery section in Hobby Lobby, and they have so many things there that I want to explore. Okay, so it's a gold card. I can use this for die cutting as well, or I can do it like how it has it and put some plastic over it. Thank you so much, mama. Guys, there's a ton in here. You need to grab this from Hobby Lobby. Look at how many are in here. 25 5x5 inch cards. I'm gonna use that for die cutting, I think. And then let me read the letter before I open this. Get a pretty little Hobby Lobby card. So cute. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. Jeremiah 29:11. This is beautiful, girl. I'm trying so hard not to cry right now. Hello, mama. I hope you and your family are doing well. Here are a few things I felt to get us. Laugh out loud. I got a few things I found at Michael's store. The paper pad is a pretty one, and I know you would enjoy it. Yes, I love it. Got me one as well, and the mini gems are from Michael's as well. Keep your head up and continue bringing joy with your videos. God bless you. Thank you so much, Neyda. So sweet. You really brightened my day. And then she sent this. Look at the little washi. So cute. And she sent me some stickers. So precious. Look at how cute. I forgot his name. The little frog. Look at these. These are beautiful. Look at the gold foiling. Hold on, guys. I'm so thankful, guys. Sorry. Look at how cute. They're like little desserts with gold foiling. They are beautiful. Oh my God. This stuff makes me really miss Temu and grabbing stuff like this. Oh my God. These are beautiful. Wow. These are gorgeous. I'm just feeling like so thankful right now, guys, and overjoyed, like for real, because God is just so amazing. And you know, she sends me a lot of things. And you know, people sometimes they send me things, not physical things, like messages, and it just really like, it's just God, like he be right on time. Honestly. Look at how beautiful. Neyda, I'm so thankful, and I'm so happy to have met you. You are a sweetheart, and I'm so happy for you and what God's doing in your life. Look at how pretty Hello Kitty. So cute. Thank you so much, Neyda. Everything was so thoughtful. I just feel overjoyed, guys. And I feel just so grateful. I'm going to message you. Everything is beautiful. Guys, give Neyda a follow. She doesn't do YouTube, but I know she's just starting her crafting journey. And I'm excited to see all the things that she's going to be creating, guys. And you guys know I'm always encouraging people to share here on YouTube. So maybe one day we can get her to do some videos so you guys can meet her as well. But thank you so much. Everything was so beautiful and so thoughtful. I love everything, girl. Even these Gaga silver spoons, girl. I'm gonna paint these. They're gonna be pastel spoons. Guys, leave me a comment down below Make sure you guys give my friend Neyda a follow. And again, I want to encourage her so that we can see her crafting journey. And I love you all. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.